I'm going to show you how to make stir-fried beef with onion, peppercorn and butter. This dish is very fragrant. Marinate 1 pound of beef tenderloin. Slice it perpendicular to the direction of the fibers. Shortening them results in more tender meat. The slices are 1/4 inch thick. Put them in a mixing bowl. Crush 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn. Add with the meat 1/2 teaspoon of salt, the crushed peppercorn, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Combine. When cooking at high heat, the starch creates an envelope around the pieces of meat, which keeps the juices inside. Keep aside. Cut 0.7 ounces of butter into small pieces to put them at the end of cooking the beef. Cut 10 ounces of onions into chunks. Don't be intimidated by the quantity. Once cooked, the onions are soft and tasty. Prepare 4 tablespoons of Sauvignon blanc or another wine. In a pan heated over high heat, put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 0.7 ounces of butter. Briefly stir and add the onions, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of wine vinegar, and the Sauvignon blanc. Occasionally stir for 4 minutes. The onions become sweet with a touch of sourness. As they soak up the wine and butter, they'll take on a rich flavor. Put them on the plate. Rinse the pan to remove any sugar residue and dry it. Let it heat over high heat until smoke appears. Mix the pieces of beef to separate them from each other. Put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is very hot, add the pieces of beef. Spread them well and let them sear for 20 seconds. The meat will have a slight grill aroma. Turn them over and stir them with small movements for 30 seconds. Add the small pieces of butter. Stir for 10 seconds. The beef soaks up the flavor of the butter. Turn off the heat. Put it on the onions. Enjoy with jasmine rice and a sautéed vegetable. Here, choose some. Bon appétit! This beef with onions, flavored with peppercorn, butter, and white wine, is delicious. It is very important to stir-fry the onion and the beef separately. Only mix the two when ready to eat them. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.